If you're looking for a quick and easy way to use API access for automated signature workflows, you've come to the right place. In this 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through how to leverage API access to streamline your signature processes, saving you tons of time and eliminating manual errors. Stick around, because I'll be showing you exactly how to get started. Plus, I've got a special offer at the end that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. API access for automated signature workflows is a game changer for businesses needing to send and manage documents securely. First things first, you need to set up an account with a software that offers API access. This software will act as the platform where your signatures will be processed. Once you've signed up, you'll be given access to an API key. This key is essentially your passcode to integrate with the software systems and automate the workflow. You'll want to copy this key and keep it in a safe place for the next steps. Next, you'll use this API key in your programming environment to create a connection to the software's API. Whether you're using Python, JavaScript, or another programming language, most modern platforms have well-documented libraries to make this easy. All you need to do is include the API key in your requests to authenticate and gain access to the services. Once you've established the connection, you can create a template for your signature workflow. Most platforms allow you to upload document templates and then, through the API, specify fields where signatures, dates, and other information will be placed. Now, here's where automation comes in. Instead of manually sending documents for signatures, you can trigger the API to send them automatically once certain conditions are met. For example, after a contract is generated or after a form is filled out, the API can send the document directly to the required parties, request signatures, and then handle the response, automatically filing everything in the cloud or sending back a confirmation. For added efficiency, you can use webhooks, which let the software notify you in real time when a document is signed. This way, you won't need to constantly check for updates. You'll also get notified if something goes wrong, like a signature not being completed. But why go through all this trouble? The beauty of using API access for automated signature workflows is speed and accuracy. It removes human error, speeds up processes, and keeps everything secure. Plus, you can integrate this into your larger workflow, whether it's CRM, project management, or billing software, making document management seamless across your entire business. Now, before I wrap up, remember, I've tested a lot of different software for this, and the one I recommend offers a really easy integration process with great documentation. I've also secured an exclusive free trial just for my viewers, so be sure to check the link in the description to follow along with the steps. You won't find this free trial offer anywhere else. So, to summarize, first, get your API key from your software platform. Then, integrate it into your code, upload your document templates, and set up the workflow to send and track signatures automatically. The key takeaway here is that by automating signature workflows through API access, you save time and ensure everything is secure and error-free. Don't forget to grab that free trial link in the description below and take advantage of the streamlined process this software offers. Thanks for watching.